Okay, hi everybody. Welcome to day 6. Have to tell you, day 6 has been, oh, look at that, that's weird. Day 6 has been a little bit more painful than previous days. Definitely, my mom and I, we went sightseeing and found a fun mall that we then walked around for 4 hours, and we may have overdone it a bit. However, what happens is the bruises, sorry, I'm so tired. The bruises are, there's some scar tissue underneath that's building, and so it gets really tight, and then thus that is the pain when I start standing up. It hurts, but as soon as I walk like 3 steps, it's gone. It's like the weirdest thing ever. The pain I was feeling at the mall was my lipedema pain from the lipedema that is left in my legs. So it's very easy to distinguish between both of them. So I wanted to let you know that a couple of things have happened that have been a little bit surprising. One of which is bruising. Now, they did not work on my feet at all. But, as you can see here, there is bruises all over my feet. And if I lift this here, you can see the bruising under there pretty clearly. So this is actually completely normal. It's just gravity pushing the blood down, and the bruising on the calf there, that's actually from the surgery. When they go through with the machine, it's they blow out a couple of blood vessels, so that's totally normal as well. And honestly, they don't even hurt. I can let's see if I can. Okay, I'm learning about this, guys. Sorry, I can push on it. It doesn't hurt. It just looks gross, really. So yeah. Other things we have learned. Okay, well, my mom and I have learned a lot over the last 2 days. In the small village that you will be staying in, Schwarzenbachenwald, things are only open in the morning, pretty much, okay? So Mom and I have been going to little towns and villages around Schwarzenbachenwald, and they, every time we go, everything is closed. It got to the point where we thought they noticed that Canadians were coming and they closed the doors. This is not true. What happens is they close for lunch. So the stores are open from 9:30 until 12:30, and then they close until 2:30, and then they're open again until about 4. That is what has been happening. Also, stores are only open on Saturday morning until 12:30, and then they are closed. Same on Wednesday, because Wednesday is their half day. Cool. And then they're completely closed on Sunday, including the grocery stores. Closed. You cannot get anything on Sundays here. So just FYI, we have been, I don't even remember, I can't even count the number of times that we've driven around and everything has been closed. So I thought I would give you that tip. Also, if you need anything, like we forgot some, that we realized we needed more European adapters. We realized my mom had forgotten a cord. I don't have a straightener that won't blow up here. So the easiest thing to do is order it on Amazon. You can order it on Amazon.de, which is the German version. You can translate it to English, and you can order it right to your hotel. It was fantastic. It arrived today. We ordered it yesterday. So that is what I highly recommend for things that you need, because we went to 3 villages looking for what my mom needed and still have yet to find a store that's open that we can even look to see if they have one. Yeah. So that's about all that's going on over here. Tomorrow will mark a week that I have been recovering from my surgery, my first surgery, so that's pretty exciting. And it also marks a week from my next one, which is arms. Yay! Anyway, we're still having a blast over here, laughing a lot, and trying to stay as positive as we can. Right, Mom?
Yep.
Say hi to the world.
Hi, world.
My mom has been an excellent nurse and chef and dishwasher and listener. It's been great. Anyway, tomorrow we're laying low because Saturday we are going to Bamberg, and that is also going to be a big day of walking. So it's always good to have a little bit of a break in between, just to put your legs up and just relax, which is what is about to happen now. Yeah. So I think that's everything. Oh no, okay, this is funny. I went to my lymph press appointment today, and they increase the pressure every time, and I slid myself down a little bit too low. So keep the lymph press away from your ribs and your stomach area, because it will squish the air out of your lungs as it is working its magic. So that's what happened to me today, and it basically was like the entire time. So I love the lymph press. It's super calming, and it's so good for the legs. However, do not put it too high on your abdomen, or it will squeeze the air out of you, and you will feel like you were being attacked by a boa constrictor. Okay? That's all I have to tell you. Here we go to day 7.